Hi, and welcome to Fish Fry. It's actually Wednesday. It's not a Fish Fry Friday. But I am doing some fried catfish tonight. So I want to make my seafood breader. And this is a basic seafood breader for any kind of fish. Grouper, shrimp, calamari, catfish, any kind of fish that you want to fry. This is a great seafood breader for it. Now, especially here in the South, you go to the grocery store and they can have up to 10 different kinds of seafood breader, ranging from 99 cents to $10. So they do get kind of expensive. And the problem with buying those seafood breaders is they can have corn solids, they can have soybean oil, they can have high fructose corn syrup. I haven't even seen in them. And of course, artificial flavors. I've even seen artificial dyes in them. So for the price of a couple cups of cornmeal, honestly, it's just so easy to make your own. Now, I do go out and search for a really nice non-GMO cornmeal. Now, for 2 cups of cornmeal, I'm going to do half a cup of flour. Now, yes, the flour is optional here. If you have a gluten intolerance, absolutely leave the flour out. Why I like the flour is because it helps absorb some of that moisture and lets whatever you're frying be a little more crispy. So for me, I do like to add that flour, but it's not necessary. Sometimes you think things are just going to be easy and flow right out, but they don't. And next I'm going to add some salt. Now, you can't go kosher salt. I'm going to do my sea salt here just because it's finer, so it's really going to mix up better. And I'm going to do a half of a teaspoon. If I was doing every time with this salt, I got to figure out a way to put this in something. I lost my train of thought. If I was doing my kosher salt, I would probably do a whole teaspoon, but because it's this, I'm going to do a half a teaspoon. And then I have a teaspoon of paprika. I have a teaspoon each onion powder, garlic powder. I have a half a teaspoon celery salt and cayenne pepper. And then I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper. Now, I really like the lemon pepper here. It just makes it really bright. And, of course, the lemon goes great with any kind of fish and seafood. But if you want to take this in a Cajun direction, then, do your Cajun seasoning in place of the lemon pepper or any other kind of flavor that you're going for with your fry. And this, also put a link to my homemade lemon pepper. It's really good. And then, just like that, you have seafood breader. And I'm just going to shake this up. And, just store this in an airtight container. It's ready for when you need it. And we're just going to shake it up. Now, once you get this all shaken up, it's ready to go. And you just pour out as much or as little as you need. Store this in your cupboard. This is a whole lot less expensive than the store-bought breaders. It is interchangeable for whatever kind of flavor you want to impart in here. Now it's up to you. Oh, I forgot the pepper. Don't forget the pepper. I'm actually going to do a good half a teaspoon of pepper, if not more. So I almost forgot the pepper. I think I got everything else, though. So again, you get to make this your own. It's going to be better for you. It's not going to have crazy ingredients that don't need to be there. It's just going to be cornmeal and spices and a little flour. It's exactly what it should be. So tonight, catfish. But coming up, I will do a video for calamari. This is my breading for calamari, and I'll show you how I do my deep fried calamari. Thanks for watching. Start making your own, guys, and let me know how it goes and what you think. Thanks for being here. I want to see you later. Bye.